about to go free zoo, and we're gonna have a good time. See it? That's about as big as we saw.
Walking up on a lizard here. And we're at the zoo, but this is not in a area here. That's a pretty big lizard right there. Oh, there you go. Snake neck turtle?
I think that is. Look off the neck.
Oh, the lettuce is so good. Yeah. So who needs a budgie stick when you can have the lettuce?
I got you on video.
Oh, okay.
Say hey.
And now. Ah, look on my phone.
You like a body?
Bird.
Oh, I feel like I'm in the Home Alone movie.
Show me what you got, Cam man. It's on your head.
Hey guys, this is me with the boys, and they'll come into me.
You are the bird man.
Now your hair. Eat my earrings. And a Mimi. Mimi and the birds.
So we just got out of the bird cage. All right, what do you think about that? That was pretty awesome.
That was pretty fun.
You got swarmed by some birds, didn't you?
Not like that.
Yeah. So he had them all over him, and I had them all over my shoes, and that was just pretty awesome.
We found the weirdest goat of all.
Say, hey, Billy.
Hey, Billy Boy.
Hey, Billy. Yeah. Good job, Giraffe. Woo! Whoa, look at these ostrich eggs. They've laid ostrich eggs in the sand. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Kennan talking to his family. Bunch of monkeys, right? Man.
Hey, Daddy.
So we're riding on a train to go around the zoo to see some animals. Right, buddy?
Yep.
Woo!
They'll make their own bed and pillow every single night, and also eat different kinds of fruit, leaves, insects, or eggs if they can find any. Goes around 3 inches every year. The white rhino weighs upwards of around 7,000 pounds.
Back it up, Terry. Back it up, Terry. Train's coming. Back it up. That's a boy, Terry.
And then coming up on
Good
your
job.
left-hand side, you will see our AX. The AX are from the Northern Sahara. Underwater, they actually walk more pounds. The reason they go spend so much time in the water.
Little baby monkey. Hey! Hey, little baby monkey. Hey! Little baby on mommy's back. About your finger. Nibble on your finger, boy. Eat some ear.
We've had fun here so far. Hey, I really recommend you come here. It's really fun. It's a very good time to have with your family. And so, goodbye. Next time you come here, hope you have fun.